Technological development is moving faster and faster. Components are getting better, smarter, more powerful. It's almost impossible to keep up. How do you ensure selecting components that best fit your application? At Texim Europe, we constantly invest in people, their knowledge, and our network. In order to be 100% up to date on technology, innovations, and component roadmaps, in the areas of display and touch, embedded computing, wireless communication, batteries, and many more. So we can select quality components quickly, at the best price, delivered on time, during the entire lifetime of your product. This is the core of what we do every day, for many, many years. For individual devices, connected and integrated modules, and tailor-made platforms, resulting in innovative, future-proof solutions created together. We integrated our knowledge into our website, optimized to easily search, compare and select, then buy samples or request a quote. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Texim Europe. Contact us directly to find the best solution fast.